How are you, my people? Welcome and welcome back to Priscilla Akinyi YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So today we are going to look at how to prepare the soft crunchy mandazi recipe. As you can see, we have to look at the ingredients that you require. First of all, you need the U-mix flour. Number 2, you will need milk. You will need cooking oil. You will need lemon zest and its juice. The first step, what you will do, you will put your flour into a basin or a bowl. Step number 2, add your lemon zest. Step number 3, add the required amount of oil according to the amount of flour you are using. Step number 4, mix the mixture until it is evenly mixed. You will be required to use your both hands to mix the oil or the butter together with the flour evenly. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you will be getting notified anytime I upload any new video. Thanks for subscribing. Now let's continue. Step 5, you will add your milk to the mixture together with your lemon juice. Step 6, knead your dough until it is ready, and make sure that your dough is thick enough. Don't make it too light or too thin. Continue kneading so that you get the correct thickness you want or softness of the mandazi. Knead for like 5 to 10 minutes. And our dough is ready. So step number 7, dust your working table or surface using your flour and put your dough on it so that you will start rolling. Step 8, roll your dough into required thickness. Don't make it too thin. Then you will put your oil in the sufuria and light up your fire. Step 9, cut your dough into your most preferred shape. For me, I went for rectangular shape. They are not square, they are rectangular in shape. So wait until your oil is boiled enough, and then you will use your wooden spoon or roller to check if your oil is ready. Then you will start dipping in step 10, you will start dipping your dough into the oil so that you start cooking your mandazi. Cook until the mandazi is brown in color. Don't overcook because it will turn black. The outer surface of your mandazi will turn black, and that will mean that it has burnt. You will continue cooking the rest of the dough, the rest of your mandazis, until you finish. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Click the subscribe button, guys, so that you'll be able to get notified whenever I upload any other recipe video.